Hello friends, in this video I'm going to discuss how to run API calls using Python. So just what we need a Python code which will basically use pandas as a library, and then we need a, as you can see, this is the code, and we need a URL also, URL for the API, and the username and password. It is basically the basic authentication. And then as you can see in the code, we have the output file also, which is going to be saved in the local. So that output file will contain the data which will fetch through API. So this is the output file. Okay, so now you can, so first we have to install pandas. You can open the any cmd command line prompt and install pandas, and then you take the API call from any available source, and then put the API call into the code. So I have copied the API call. Now I am putting the API URL here in the code file, and I have to save this code file as a .py. So you can see API call using pandas file is available in my local. Now I'll go to Windows PowerShell. So in the Windows PowerShell, I will go to the directory where I have saved my Python file. Then I will run this Python file, Python. Then I have to write the Python space, and within a single quote I have to write the name of the file. So my name of the file is API call using Python. So now I will just type that, and then you can see that .py with the .py, then hit enter. So the data has been fetched from internet. So this data, as I said, it will be saved in the output file. So we can now go to the output file and see whether the data has been saved or not. So output file is basically in our local. So let's see if it is saved or not. We can see the output file saved in the Excel. Please like and subscribe. Thanks.